Hello, good morning, students. Today we will study present perfect tense. On this is the perfect tense in past and also in future. So first of all, we start today present perfect tense. Perfect implies the word perfect implies completed. It means completed. The work or action is completed. But simple past tense also express the action that completed in past, and it is also completed in the past. But the difference is present perfect tense connected to the present, but simple past is not connected to the present. So we start present perfect tense. First, I want to tell you where and how we use this tense. First, to indicate an action that has been completed just now or a little while ago. ऐसे एक्शन को बताना जो अभी अभी या कुछ देर पहले खत्म हुआ है, कंप्लीट हुआ है. एंड टू इंडिकेट एन एक्शन दैट हैज बीन कंप्लीटेड जस्ट नाउ और a little while ago. Second, this tense is used to show, to indicate, explain an action whose time is not given and is not definite. Time is not given and it is indefinite. For example, he has lived in Bangkok. Here time is not given. Third, this tense to indicate or to describe a past event that connected to present. For example, I have lost the keys to the house. Number 4, this tense is used to talk about a continuing state, not action. For example, Sita has been ill since Monday. It describes continuing the state but not in action. For example, Geeta has been ill since Monday. So we understand that simple present tense in present perfect tense, the work or action or state is done in past but is related or connected to the present. Now we have some example to write on the board to understand this tense. First of all, to indicate an action that has been completed just now or a little while ago. पहले जो बताया कि ये काम तुरंत खत्म हुआ है या थोड़ा देर पहले खत्म हुआ है, लेकिन ये काम खत्म हो चुका है, पास्ट में है लेकिन प्रेजेंट से ये रिलेटेड है. इसका एग्जांपल जैसे शी हैज जस्ट लेफ्ट फॉर हर ऑफिस. वो अभी अभी ऑफिस से गई है या अभी अभी ऑफिस से निकली है. टू एक्सप्रेस एन एक्शन whose time is not given and is not definite. For example, he has lived in Bangkok. Third, to describe a past event that connected to the present. For example, I have lost the keys to the house. And last, to take about a continuing the state, not an action. He has been ill since Wednesday. Now we will study the structure of this सेंटेंस. इस सेंटेंस को फ्रेमिंग हम कैसे करेंगे इसको अब हम देखेंगे. यूज ऑफ हैज और हैव. हैज का प्रयोग सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट, सिंगुलर प्रोनाउन और नाउन ही, सी, इट, द बॉय, द बर्ड, etc. इट कैरीज हैज. हैज का प्रयोग हम ही, सी, इट, द बॉय, द बर्ड और अदर सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट के साथ करते हैं. हैज का प्रयोग ही, सी, इट, द बॉय, द गर्ल, द बर्ड सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट के साथ हैज का प्रयोग करते हैं. और हैव का प्रयोग आई, वी, यू, दे, बॉयज, बर्ड्स प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट के साथ करते हैं. आई, वी, यू, दे, द बॉयज, द बर्ड्स प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट के साथ हैव का प्रयोग किया जाता है. सेंटेंस फ्रेमिंग के लिए स्ट्रक्चर है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी यूज सब्जेक्ट हैज और हैव अकॉर्डिंग टू सब्जेक्ट प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब एंड एट लास्ट अदर वर्ड्स और ऑब्जेक्ट्स. सेंटेंस आई हैव लॉस्ट my pen. I subject has according to I and lost a verb third and object my pen. For negative for negative we use subject plus has और have plus not. has और have के बाद not का प्रयोग करेंगे तो फिर प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल Rekha has not given her book. Negative. And third, in interrogative sentence, we use has or have before the subject. Has or have plus subject plus third form of the verb and object and question mark. For example, have you beaten him? And negative question, and WH word question. Here is the yes no question. We start has or from has or have. It is called yes no question. WH word question. Structure WH word plus has have plus subject plus verb third plus subject plus क्वेश्चन मार्क. WH word क्वेश्चन सब्जेक्ट के पहले आएगा, हैज के पहले आएगा और उसके बाद तब सब्जेक्ट and third form of the verb and object. When have you left the house? When WH word question, have according to subject you and verb third and other words or objects. Here WH word question and question negative sentence. Question negative. WH word question has or have according to subject plus not plus verb third form and object and question mark. Why has he not given you a reward? Here WH word question has have subject verb third form and object a reward. you. Why has he not given you a reward? Understood? अब हम लोग स्ट्रक्चर समझ गए पास्ट प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस का. For exercise, I want to give you some questions to complete with this tense present perfect tense. First example, we complete this sentence with the verb given in the bracket. Question is, you dash a letter to me. Verb is write. We use have for you. Written. Verb third form written. You have written a letter to me. Second, question is, why dash he dash a toy the children. Verb is give. We use has or have according to the subject. Subject is he, so we use has for he. Why has he? Verb is give, so third form of give is given. Why has he given a toy the children? Understood? And next class we will study past perfect tense. Thank you.